haven't done a foundation video in so long, so I'm super excited for it. I don't know, lately my skin has been really shit, and so I haven't been able to test foundations as they come out. Because sometimes I'm like mid-treatment and my skin is all peeling off. So I have to wait a cooling period so I can actually be fair to the foundation. So today we're gonna review one of my most asked to review foundations, and it's the new ZOEVA foundation. It's called the Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. I think it might be a little too light for my face, but a good match for my neck, as per usual. The shade that I chose is the Aglow, which is the lightest shade, is the 10N, so it's neutral. It does look pretty neutral. It looks similar to the ABH, which in turn also looks similar to the NARS Radiant, Naturally Radiant or something like that. I love the NARS. I'm gonna link that up here so you can watch it. I haven't tried the ABH yet. I will do next. So yeah, it looks pretty light for my hand shade. It looks about the right match for my neck, but we'll see. I'm using the ZOEVA 104 Buffer Brush. It is on the light side, definitely for my face, good for my neck. With a brush, I do feel like it is settling down a little bit on my pores and also on my patchiness, but I'm gonna keep going at it. And I'd say it's a medium buildable to high coverage. My skin is shitty, but I do feel like this is enhancing everything a lot more. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Sponge, which actually has been the only thing that I've been using. I possibly like this more than the Beauty Blender. It's a thing. While you'll still see a little bit of my like peeling skin, with the blender it's much better. I don't know, I'm kind of torn because it is definitely better with the Beauty Blender side. I still feel like it's a little bit on the chalky side. But again, that may be my skin. I feel like my skin is bad, as you can see here. Very flaky and patchy. But it's not even here where my skin isn't that bad because I don't have any breakouts or anything. It is nice and has a nice glowy to it, but it is a bit chalkier than I would like. Just like a little bit, not like over the top. But then again, the NARS that I really like the finish of like throughout the day does have this type of texture as well, and I still like it. So it's more about how this behaves, I think. So I'm still gonna show you how it looks on the patches because, you know, it's important if you have patches. And if you have patches, this is a no-go. But if you don't, I would focus on the texture that I have right here. That is not patchy. I'm gonna try to use like a concealer brush and just spot conceal. This is the ZOEVA 142. We're keeping it ZOEVA today. I actually really like this brush. I have like tons of them. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply just a little bit because I don't want to like overcake everything. But just to see how, if this is doable. Like, as I'm applying it, and I think you noticed that as well, this foundation does oxidize a tiny little bit. It's not as shockingly pale as it was before. And now that it's kind of settled down, I'm glad I went for this shade. I'm just gonna powder under eyes. I'm not gonna powder anywhere else because I do feel like this is the type of foundation that is luminous, but because of the chalkiness that is going on a little bit, it's gonna control. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'll see you in a bit. Done my makeup. In case you're wondering, I am using the ZOEVA Precious Eyeshadow Palette. I believe this is their holiday collection. I have filmed this tutorial, so it will either be already live on Instagram or it will be soon. Notice that it's gone quite matte. So, well, before you could see just a little bit of glow. I mean, it's not like ultra matte, but it's definitely like a soft matte, but it is matte. I'm saying matte, matte, matte a lot. Under here is the same. Again, I have not powdered unless under my eyes. The blush, and I actually just used the bronzer and the highlight were both powder, and they did not mess up the coverage or anything, so that's good. And it actually is looking better now than it was before. I think it has stimulated a bit into my skin. It is still on the like dryish, chalky side, but like the NARS, it is surprisingly beautiful once you finish your whole makeup. Every time I apply the NARS, and I'm almost finishing it, by the way, which is rare for me, because usually I just end up passing it on if I'm not crazy about foundations. But just so you know how crazy I am about them, I have actually mentioned that foundation in my favorites, makeup favorites. But every time I apply it for the first time, I'm like, you know what? But then it always surprises me, and I think that's what's happening with this. It's very similar to the NARS. So again, if you love the NARS and you feel like it might be a bit too expensive, I think this is cheaper, I think. Is it not? And for me personally, what I like about it is that I can find a match in this. Even this, like being too light, ended up oxidizing a little bit. So it is my match. But there's also, I could go up without being too pink. And I feel like the NARS one, I'm either way too pink or way too yellow. There is no middle ground. And that's the only reason why I won't buy the NARS. So I might actually transfer back to this one. Let's see. Let's wait the whole day. I don't want to jinx it. I couldn't do the full 8 hours because I'm really tired. But all of the parts that were bad are still bad, but they're not much worse. And the parts that were good are still really, really good. Barely any coverage has gone away. It doesn't have that ultra matte tightening feeling at all. There is some texture here, but that is to be expected from where we started. So my final verdict is definitely, if you have flaky skin, this might not be it for you. And if you have dry, flaky skin, I'd go with a little something more hydrating like the Fenty foundation. But if you're on the oily combination side and are not going through excessive treatments like I am, that are super drying, so you're not gonna have this much flaking, I would still recommend this. I think this is better than a NARS in terms of match for me, and even in terms of like duration, long-term, what is the word I'm looking for? I'm gonna say duration. Even in terms of duration, I think this is a lot better than that. So I definitely recommend it. I'll be trialing this out throughout my whole treatment. So when I'm a little better, I'll also give feedback on that. Hello, say hello. Yeah, so if you like me and if you like Shishka, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, and don't forget to click the little bell button so you know every single time I'm uploading. And that is pretty much it. I will see you next week. Bye!